Matthew, and for the product requirements section in the lectures, we went over, I mean, not project requirements, requirement engineering section. We just went over the requirements engineering. And first, we learned that requirement engineering should be simple. It's claiming what the program is going to do and how the system behaves more than just the software and describing what the software is. Projects can fail because of failing to get correct requirements. Basically, we can complicate the system. The example that was shown was a pocket knife and a regular knife. Just this is what people make, which is a pocket knife with a bunch of different elements when the stakeholder just needs a normal knife. The requirements engineering process is um, elicitation, which is just the gathering, negotiation, modeling, and analysis. So in the gathering part, you just get the stakeholders, the application domain, and other documentation, and you gather information, data, and the requirements that you need. In the negotiations section, you schedule a meeting to talk with usually analysts to the domain people, and you confirm or refute the data collected, or you come to a conclusion. The modeling section, you decide what portions to model, decide how to model those portions. So you use flow charts, and then you have the MVP, which is the minimal value of the product working, which that just has the pertinent features for the product to be complete. Um, the analysis section is the last step, which is just the software quality. Um, Purpose of the software is the software doing what it's supposed to do. Um, Steve Jobs said people don't always know what they want until you show them. This is true. Sometimes we can think of ideas that people don't have. I know Henry Ford said that if I would have asked people what they wanted, they would have asked for a faster horse, not a car. So that's basically what that means. Is just that we need to show the people why they need this and why they want this. So basically, the quality of the requirements, which is the completeness and the pertinence, uh, verification, validation, and risk analysis. This all goes in the analysis section. So an example of an app that I use every day is Uber. I don't really use Uber every day. It's just this is a lot harder to show that I know the information with Twitter because Twitter is just a social media platform, and Uber is the one that I thought of first for an app that actually solves a problem. So Uber, as you know, is just an app where you say that you're here, that you're somewhere, and that you want to go somewhere, and someone will come pick you up and drive you over there. Um, the purpose of the app is basically to get people to an area. Um, the MVP of the app would probably just be uh, just an interface where you're like where you say your location and then an interface to and then on the interface it'll have where you want to go and then it'll say a driver's coming to pick you up. So something really simple, um just basically I'm here, this is where I want to go, search for drivers, and then it'll say this driver is gonna get in contact with you. The driver calls you or texts you, comes picks you up and takes you over. A few features that currently exist in the app that I don't think would be in the MVP would be actually the whole chart with the cars and the map. I think that that would not be in the MVP model of Uber just because um, that's it's not really necessary. It's nice. I think it does help, but I think that that's like not really their main thing that they're worried about. And then also the splitting the bill on ride shares, so you can get a ride with more than one person, and you could split the bill with them. I definitely don't think that would be in the MVP because that's definitely something that was just added. I think a year ago. All right, thank you.